So for example, I use Obsidian and I use the Supernote Partner app. So let's go back. We'll do this again in real time. And we'll go back to record. We'll go to scenes. And then I'm going to go to multiple. So now you have me, you have the Stream Deck, and you have my desktop. And now we're going to go back up. So you'll see we're back to this piece. Go back up one more layer and over. Now what I can do, and it's really, really quick, usually, let's hope it works in the demo the same way. If I want to open my Supernote desktop app, bam, there it is. I don't have to click through a menu. I don't have to double click on an icon. I just press a button and it pops right up. It opens really quickly. Now I haven't customized all the buttons yet to make it so that it will automatically close that program, but I know that there are ways you can do that. There's all kinds of macro settings and different keystroke settings that you can do. I haven't had it long enough to do all of that yet, but it does do. Here comes Obsidian. Press the button, Obsidian pops up. There's my graph. Press Word pops up. I mean, it works really, really quickly here. And by the way, the Supernote and Obsidian icons, I made those. So I found PNG, I made that into a nice little thumbnail, and then I put that on here as a custom. So they don't have a plugin.